Can you solve this animal riddle? I'm known for my wisdom and I fly at night. I can turn my head, but I'm not impolite. What am I? The answer is an owl. Owls are often associated with wisdom. They fly primarily at night, and they can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. Did you know owls have specialized wing and feather features that allow them to fly silently? The leading edge of their primary feathers have a serrated design, which cuts down on flight noises. This silent flight gives them a stealthy advantage when hunting for prey.